Thanksgiving is probably my most favorite holiday next to the 4th of July, of course. I'm just a summer gal at heart, but I do love the fall time, and it really does inspire me to kind of change up the decor in my home, make it super cozy. So I really wanted to do the tablescape that I'm going to be doing for my family dinner, but of course everything is going to be thrifted. And I'm doing this because I want to show you just how much amazing, beautiful home decor is just sitting at the thrift store, and it's all so cheap and affordable. Oh, and this mirror behind me is a DIY by yours truly. I showed you how to make it in my thrifted and DIY home decor video. Kind of obsessed with it. I love it a lot, and it looks super cool. So I don't know, go check it out. I still need to pick up some things from the thrift store. I'm thinking maybe some fake plants. I need some more vases, some candles, and just maybe more. We'll see what I can find. Oh my gosh, look at this crazy dress. It's so cool. Alright, I'm back from the thrift store. I think I have everything that I could need for this. So I'm at my parents' house now where we're going to be having dinner. I think I'm gonna start setting up. So first I'm going to do a runner, of course, and I have two options for that. I think it might be a sheet or a curtain or something. I just got it from the fabric section of the thrift store. And I think I'm just going to press it so it's a thin, you know, rectangle like a runner is, instead of cutting it up and sewing it. It's just gonna be easier. And then I also have these really cool like braided hemp placemats, and I thought that I could kind of layer them together. We'll see how that works out, and then I will start the scaping. I have the plates set out already. Those are my mom's, and then I think I'm gonna be putting some of her serveware out just because we're actually gonna be, you know, serving food on the table, so I wanna incorporate those as well. guys, this was super fun. I hope that you enjoyed this. I was amazed at how much I could find at the thrift store. I mean, even these vase fillers, I got that at the thrift store, and then the grasses that are in there too, I just cut those from my backyard. So I want to inspire you with this video to, if you need decor, try out the thrift store. I mean, all of this stuff is from there. I spent less than $30. I spent $27 on all of this decor. And I think it turned out great. You know, it's kind of eclectic and that's what you get at the thrift store, but I personally really like that style. And you just have to pick a couple of things that are going to ground your design, I guess. Like for me, I picked orange and blue, and then the candles. So I think with all of them lit, it looks really nice. And then the color palette kind of brings all of that decor together and it meshes really well. So I hope that this maybe gives you some ideas for your own Thanksgiving tablescape for your family, and to kind of reuse instead of buying new. And, you know, go to the thrift store too, try it out. If you need some decor, there's so much, I promise. And the prices are always amazing. I hope that you enjoyed this one. Have a lovely Thanksgiving.